Welcome back to this quick fix. For this, we need a 14mm open wrench. Then we release pressure. We do it counterclockwise and we let the serpentine belt rest on the side of this pulley, just like so. Unbolt the old pulley, going clockwise this time, and keep the bolt and the washer together. Keep them as is and try not to drop them on the floor, just like so. Then we remove the bad pulley. I purchased a brand new OEM pulley from the Honda website, and the part number is on the top of this graph. It's time to compare them. They must have 3 groups in the center and they must be equal in diameter. Test sound for the new one. Test sound for the old one. It's time to replace the new pulley on the tensioner, just like so. And then we place back the washer and the bolt again. If you're planning to replace the serpentine belt, just like me, just remove the tire and remove the side plastic skirt to have a better visual on where the serpentine belt is gonna be. This is the part number for the serpentine belt, straight from Honda again, and this is the tracing illustration. Remember, this vehicle doesn't have an alternator. We place the serpentine belt on the top and we let it rest on the side. Make sure the serpentine belt lands on those 3 groups on every single pulley of this system. Then we release tension, again counterclockwise. And we place the last part of the serpentine belt on the tensioner pulley. Release pressure. Make sure everything is okay. This is an illustration of a good tensioner. In my case, the indicator is sitting right in the middle when the engine is running, and the whole system is not wobbling. If it does otherwise, you need to replace your tensioner. Stay tuned for more.